absorption loss, magastos masyado kapag ang pinili natin ay yung expensive. So, we go for the less expensive na mataas yung solubility niya, tsaka hindi siya volatile niya. So, para yun ay sa economic. Ayan. So, for us to define the solubility of a gas in a liquid, one should know the temperature, the equilibrium partial pressure of the solute gas in the gas phase, the concentration of the solute gas in the liquid phase, and of course, the total pressures of the system. So, kailangan din kasi natin ng selection of the solubility data when considering the general design of the gas absorption. So, bakit essential yung solubility values? Kasi, ang solubility values, they determine the liquid rate which is necessary for complete or the economic solute recovery dun sa buong unit. Kaya siya mahalaga. And in the selection of equipment, yan. So, ang kinoconsider natin in selecting the kind of equipment ay syempre yung resistance to corrosion, ng material, tapos mechanical strength, capacity for handling the required flows, the mass transfer efficiency, and cost are some of the factors considered in choosing the type of pack. So we have different packs kasi na later I i-discuss din. Okay. Tapos, ano ba yung, ito yung konting, mga highlights dun sa iba't ibang packs. For the pack columns kasi, they are used for very good corrosive materials, tsaka for liquids that foam badly. Tapos, ginagamit din sila for small or large diameter towers involving very low allowable pressure drops. And of course, for small scale naman operations requiring diameters of less than 0.6 meters or 2 feet. While yung plate columns naman, yan, economically preferable daw siya for large scale operations. Tapos, for very low liquid rates din siya din ginagamit. And ito, for very low gas velocity. So yun. Mas piniprefer ang plate columns. Punta naman tayo sa pressure drop dun sa buong unit. Sa pressure drop naman, ang nagdedetermine nito ay yung cost of energy for compression of the gas. So yung maximum allowable pressure drop daw, i-determine nga yun. So, depende dun sa magagamit na energy dun sa pagkakompress ng feed na gas. While, yung kapag sa diameter naman, ang nagdedetermine naman nito, yung flooding. So, flooding mamaya i-explain naman kung ano ba yung konsepto ng flooding. Okay. Tapos, of course, for the height of the tower, isa din sa kailangang i-consider na parameters dun sa design, ang dito naman, the phase equilibria involved, the specified degree of removal of the solute from the gas, tsaka yung mass transfer efficiency. Bali yung phase equilibria involved, at tsaka yung specified degree of removal, ang dinidictate nila yung required number ng theoretical stages sa plate tower. O kaya naman yung transfer units naman kapag pack tower. So yun yung dinidetermine nito ha. Tapos, para naman sa number 3, yung tray efficiency at saka ng spacing ng plate tower, yun naman i-consider sa mass transfer efficiency. At saka, yung sa height naman ng pack tower din. So, plate tower and pack tower. And, so, for that, that's my answer to my question. Thank you very much to myself. Next candidate. Candidate number 3. Pick your question, please. Okay. And the question for you is, where is the question for you? Can you give a specific problem dealing with the absorption?
Thank you for the question. So, okay, discuss ko yung overview ng pag-solve ng gas ab design. Overview lang. Ayan. 500 SCFM of air containing 14 mole percent acetone to remove 95% of the acetone by absorption in liquid water in a pack bed operating at 80 degree Fahrenheit and 1 atm with 1-inch brass rings. The feed water contains 0.02% acetone and the flow rate is 1.1 times the minimum. Ito yung diagram niya. Ayan. Ito yung mapasok ito yung inlet ng gas, tapos ito yung liquid contact mo. Water with, dapat yung liquid mo may konting acetone para kumabit siya dun sa air na titreat mo. Kasi ayan yung recovery ng acetone. Tapos, bilang chemical engineer, ito yung most common na hinahanap natin. Flow rate ng water, diameter ng tower, tsaka height. So, ito. Solution overview lang yung di-discuss ko. Mamaya yung si Miss Malaysia tsaka si Miss China yung di-discuss ko.
Miss China.
Mister! Ayan. Sa charts of liquid flow rate, yung liquid mo dapat ay 1.1 to 1.5 times yung minimum na liquid na inlet. Tapos, just as with distillation, there's a minimum L over B required to achieve the desired separation. In typical operation of an absorber, so the liquid rate is just above the minimum. Tower diameter, usually chosen on the basis of pressure drop. Ayan yung ratio dapat ng pressure drop mo tsaka ng height of packing mo dapat 0.25 to 0.5 lang. And generally, for a particular L or NB, the smaller the column diameter, the larger the mass velocities will be, and the larger the pressure drop. Ayun, tandaan natin na pag mas maliit yung column diameter, mas mataas yung magiging pressure drop mo. Large mass velocities are desirable because they give high mass transfer coefficients, but too large mass velocities cause flooding, which severely decreases mass transfer rates. The pressure drop above is about optimum. So, mas maganda daw kung mas mataas yung mass velocities mo. Kaya dapat mas maliit yung column diameter mo. Now, sa height. The height of the tower is determined by mass transfer rates. Basically, the gas and liquid phases need to be in contact for a certain time for the acetone to diffuse from the gas phase to the liquid. Ito may tinatawag tayong design equation para sa height. Ayan, meron siyang dalawang factors. Ito yung tinatawag natin mass transfer rates. Yung dalawang yun ay yung ayan, and sa height of 1 transfer unit per KYA is the overall mass transfer coefficient times the interfacial area per unit volume of packing. Tapos yung pangalawang transfer unit ay sa number of transfer units, where Y is the mole fraction of the transferable component and R is the law. Ayun. Di-discuss siya ng detalyado ni Mr. China. And thank you.
Wow, very intelligent question. Answer, I'm sorry. Okay, let us now call on our next candidate. Pick your question, please. Pick your question. Oh, it is also hard. Are you prepared?
Think so.
Can you speak in English?
Sometimes.
Okay. Doesn't need a translator. Okay, the question is, what do you know about Pack Tower and why? Are you ready?
I'll see if I'm prepared.
I will repeat the question